Hello everyone. Let's take a look at this position where white's in deep trouble. Like, how did we end up here kind of trouble? Black's king is lunging toward our rook on f4, and there's a checkmate threat on a1 just waiting to happen. At first glance, yeah, white looks cooked. But what if I told you not only can white survive, they can actually win from here? That's right, the position hides a sneaky piece of magic, a move so good it feels illegal. Here's your challenge. Find white's winning move. I'll give you a second. Welcome back. Now, obviously, if we attempt to bring our rooks together for mutual defense, as mentioned earlier, checkmate is unavoidable. Similarly, if we relocate this rook to safety away from the king's grasp, we're still facing checkmate, just in 2 moves rather than 1. So, it appears our rook is doomed, and you might wonder how we can possibly win after losing it. I mean, if we deliver check here, we sacrifice our rook, then we'd be struggling with just a rook versus the queen, hoping at best for a draw, though that's not actually achievable with perfect play. However, as I mentioned, we're winning, so we need to find an exceptional move. Here's the key. We offer up the rook on a4. Playing rook from f4 to a4 is absolutely brilliant. Let me show you what happens next. Should black capture it, we follow up with check on h3, forcing the king upward, then deliver another check that captures the queen. From that point forward, I think everyone can convert white's advantage into victory. Since black cannot accept this rook sacrifice, he must relocate his queen. But even if he moves the queen while maintaining the attack and keeping it safe, look what happens. We're threatening checkmate here. Black can interpose his queen, but he'll lose it, though capturing immediately isn't even our strongest continuation. We can actually deliver check here first and preserve both our rooks in the process. Clearly an easy victory for white. Notice we're not just attacking the queen, we're simultaneously threatening checkmate like this.
So, after careful consideration, black will most likely play queen to c8, defending the h3 square. So how does white win from here? Can you spot it? Here's the solution. We simply disregard his defense of that square. We play rook to h3 regardless, giving check. This rook controls the entire rank while the king guards the remaining escape squares, forcing black's hand. He must capture, and of course, now you can see what unfolds. We capture that queen anyway. From this position, I'll let you work out the fastest winning sequence for white. So next time you're cornered in a game, remember, sometimes the best move isn't defense, it's sacrifice. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you enjoyed the video. That's all for today, and catch you in the next Brain Twister.